What's going on, everyone? It's my brother again. Sorry for this little fuzzy part that you guys see. I still haven't bought a screen protector for the lens. Oh, that's a spider. Oh, that's gnarly. See this guy? So today we're gonna be taking out the wires. This is gonna be a two-part video because look at this thing. We're gonna try to get as much of it out today because most of it's going towards the back, like all these ones. This side and this side is what I'm trying to aim at for today, hopefully. And then we're gonna continue on the next video for that. But first things first, we gotta take out the battery and then we'll get it started. So yeah, right now, this part right here, I gotta take this thing out. I also gotta take that one out. So also this one. For the top ones, I'm gonna be using this thing again and then cutting it up. Safety first. And this is the part that's going to be taking long. We're going to try to tackle this right side first, since there's only one main wire that goes all the way down. And then we just got to hope for the best and prepare for the worst. Okay, so I found the first three wires. It's a red one, a blue one, and it's a ground wire. So I traced it all the way back from right here. So it's these three right here, right? Boom. And then it comes out to here. So it's connected to this ground right here. And so I'm gonna cut this one. And then it's connected to, the red one's connected to this one. And it's this white one, and then it comes back down to this plug right here. So I don't need that. And then the blue one also comes down to this one right here. Oh, to this one. Sorry. So yeah, that's where it goes. And if you trace it all the way down, back over here, it comes up, comes to this right here, and then it splits right there. And this one is actually this wire that is connected to that door sensor, that metal one right there. And then the other one is connected to this thing. So I'm gonna go on this cut, and then 3 down, 1 million more to go. So I got a couple wires out. There's 2 right there. There's a couple more over there. I have to fold, and I got all those. But I gotta wait for my brother to come back. He went out to go do some stuff because some of the wires are going out to the front of the car. So the bus. But to be completely honest, this is gonna take me a couple days because 1, I don't know anything about buses and bus wiring, and then 2, it's my first time ever doing this. But how do you learn in life? You just gotta do it. So
1 week later.
Alright, what's going on? Oh wow, didn't even realize that. I just literally wiped my face right now. Hold up, let me fix this. There we go. Alright guys, so this is still the same video, but it's been like a week and a half. I'm starting to work on the wires again today. I actually got to cut a couple wires earlier. But yeah, so my uncle's gonna help me out later. The reason why it's been on pause is because I needed 2 people. My brother's been busy all week, and Emily's helping my mom out with a couple things, and you know, it just got busy. And I also trained for 25K, which if you haven't seen it, I put the link down at the bottom for you guys to see. Yeah, so now today I'm tackling this, and it seems pretty easy. I actually just ended up taking out all these like wire, like the black connector things, to keep the wires intact. I just took it out, so now all these wires are exposed, and I'm just gonna trace everything back. I got a purple wire that I'm about to, you know, take everything out. But yeah, so hopefully I can get a lot of this done. Also, my friend, she's also making a van, and her boyfriend is an electrician. So I sent him a couple pictures of, you know, what this 24D DPT1 means, because apparently he knows how to do everything electrical, both house and vehicles. So hopefully he can help. Just a plug for her. She's also making her own van right now. I'll put it down at the bottom, and go check it out. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys kind of like a little tip. If you guys are planning on throwing this away, I suggest don't, because you can use this again to keep, you know, all your wires together. I'm pretty sure a lot of Buzz Life and Schoolie people have already done this, but yeah, I just thought if you didn't know, and then now you know. All right, y'all, so my uncle's here helping me out, and this dude was like, why don't you just do this? And he literally just took that wire out in like 2 minutes. First off, I'm gonna give him the benefit of the doubt, because this guy was civil engineer for most of his life, and now he was like, yeah, dude, you just have to pull it back. Look at this. Look, he doesn't even have to trace it back. Damn. Live and learn, right? Live and learn. All right, everybody, so I got a couple wires out. Oh, where are they? So I got like 3 or 4 bundles there, but I started working on the left side, and then I had to take out this panel right here, but this part is connected to the AC, and there's piping that's under it, so I'm not going to touch this side right now because I need help with like going under and making sure I'm not pulling anything or ripping anything. So I'm just gonna work on this side, and then try to at least get most of these wires out on this side. And then after I finish that, call it a day, and hopefully everything is good to go next time we you know, finish this. As you can tell, it's already dark. I think it's 8 o'clock. Yeah, it's 8:24. I just wanted to show you guys before I end part 1 of this video. I actually got most of the wires out, at least for the back, and I just got to see which one I'm gonna keep, but I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So also, I don't know if I said this earlier, this orange one right here, since we're gonna keep the AC, if you guys don't need to take this out, then don't take it out, because that's like the only one that's like together in one really thick wire. So that's a good thing. Everything else is all like in a little plug like this or up on the wall. So this is how much wires, or how many wires I got out. I got all those right there. The one that has the black rubber around it, or the black plastic, that's the one from the side, for the sign, for the stop sign. Something's happening. I don't know. I'll check it out after. But yeah, so that's how many wires I got out. And I just wanted to show you guys real quick. If you guys have a 2010 Chevin Collins bus with this type of configuration, the top one, most of it is a bunch of stuff from the back. So as you can tell, boom, that's how many wires I cut. There's probably more in there. Yeah. This is mostly all to the back. And then there's a couple wires here too. There's like 3 or 4. I don't know if you guys can see that. So yeah, and then the speaker wire was literally just unplugged. Because all this is all the same wire. It's like it's not even used. Let me see. Yeah, see. Front speaker. I don't even have this thing doesn't even have speakers. I think that's just for like announcements and stuff. But yeah, so once I finish this whole thing, I'm gonna put which wires you don't need, which wires you do need. And also this is just for my bus, so if you guys want to take out the AC, then whatever wire you need to take out, just take it out. But we're keeping the stop sign and all that stuff. So yeah, they're going nuts right now. I don't know what's going on. If you guys like this, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more of this bus, subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.